Alright guys, so it's been some time before I recorded my last video. You can tell we've done a couple of things. As you can see, the first, we've already taken it off-roading a little bit, because why not? So first we got a passenger side mirror, because we just wanted to see it, so we didn't actually have to look around, even though we only have to look maybe 4 feet. But just kind of completes the look. We also got a kind of a stubby antenna. Looks pretty good. Also, a couple things on the dash, like we put a cigarette lighter. Put a switch over there to run the windshield wipers, or windshield washer fluid, and then we have the windshield wipers, which we had before. We also built a center console. We got a couple cup holders, a phone holder, and just an empty box now. We don't have anything in it. We did put a couple things on the back. This is filled with water, and you saw the restoration of this one. We don't actually have anything in it right now, but we usually carry either gas in it. So we also hooked up the towing lights. This is a 6-pin. As you can tell, we only have 4 lights, but we put a 6-pin because we had an adapter for that one. And the biggest thing is that we got a soft top. We really wanted to stay out of the sun and rain, and maybe even some mud that flies up. So we got a soft top. Looks pretty good. It's a best top. You could either have the straps down, which we liked more because it kind of feels a little older, or we even have these hook in case we want to make it like a strapless one from the outside. But we also did some wiring too. We have a couple quick disconnects here in case we want to put the windshield down. So a couple more projects on this Jeep is we want to build the roll cage and a couple of footsteps or rock sliders. We do have these footsteps here, but I mean, we don't really use those. They stay up most of the time, and I kind of like the look of the rock sliders, footstep type things. We also have to get a hook right there to latch onto there, and when we put the hood up, it latches. And then we're gonna get a lift for it too, which, you know, you gotta have a lift if you got a Jeep, because stock ride is kind of hard when you're off-roading, even though it is fun. Also, we plan to put a back seat in this because we do want to take more than just 2 people off-roading, because, you know, it is fun. So we'll get another seat. And no, we're not just going to bolt down that chair, even though that would be kind of hilarious seeing it in the back. And a couple more projects we have. I'm getting another vehicle. You guys will see what it is eventually, but we'll be doing projects on that. I'm also going to have one video of me, maybe one video because it might take some time, of me swapping a manual transmission into a CJ5. So look forward to that. But thank you all for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Tell me projects you guys would like me to see. Would you like to see another 4-wheeler, or like a race car, or tell me what you guys like to see. Thank you guys all for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and goodbye.